today agenda, you can already see that we are going to cover these all topics which we are seeing the screen, how to create it, how to update it, and what is the difference in length and cap. Then we'll see what is the difference between array and slice in brief. Then we will create any slice from an array. Okay, so let's start with the code. Okay, so to create a slice, this is similar to array only. So what you can do is then you can use int slice, and then here what you can do is you can do int, and then what you can do, you can print it. And yep, so only difference between array and slice is that in slice we don't define what is the size of it. Okay, so that we can increase it on runtime. If it is it is zero size, it would be, we will be appending more values. That is the advantage of slice, and that is the difference between array array and slice. Okay, so let me run it. Go run main.go. Okay, you see it's a blank. Okay, so now how we assign a value in it? So it's same. So we define 1 2 3 here. Now you will see it is printing these values. Okay, so let's see what are the other ways to create any slice. So this is another way, as you all know, that we can create this way also. So this is there are two ways to create any variable in Golang. So 2 3, so this is another way. We have to put here this one. So this is another way. Okay, and the third way is that for slice you can use make method also. So in slice 2, what I can do is that there is a make method in Golang, and let's see what's the definition of Golang in me. So it needs a type, then it needs a size. Okay, so I will tell you this is a slice, and the slice I will tell this is a size of 5. Okay, let me print it fmt. So let me remove this one because there is no need of it, you already know it. T dot print, and then you will see that it has 5 elements inside it. Okay, yeah. So now how to update these values? So what you can do is that you can update same like array. So if you want to update any value, so you can just write like this one. Okay, and then when we run it, you'll see what happened. Oh, sorry, I'm not printing it actually. So you will see it has updated in that value. Okay, same for retrieval also. You can just retrieve this way. It's a similar to array. Okay. Okay, now question comes that, okay, how we can add more values inside this slice. Okay, we have 5 length of array, and in array we cannot add more values, but in slice how can we add? Okay, so if I want to add any new element in slice, so what I have to do, I have to append a value. So the better way is that let me do it this way, it will automatically do it. So yeah, So this and then you do is that you put at a value there and you do save and you print this one. You will see that one more LU is added now inside this one at the end 6. Okay, so this is why you can append more values as long as you want to enter. You can enter those values here. Okay. Okay, one of the major difference between array and slice is, let me show you that. One is this fixed size. Another thing is that slice is passed by reference. Okay, what does it mean? Let me show you. If I have a function and change slice value, and here what I do is that I pass here slice, and what I can do, slice val and int, and from here I do like this, and then here what I do, I just update one index on this one. Index I will change 1 and I will put 50, and then when I try to print this in slice, what you will see is that it is although I'm printing it here and I change in another method, but you will see the actual value is going to be changed. But if you do this behavior with array, okay, let's take our array where in array sorry, 4, and I will just copy paste this one, change array value, array value. So this array value, and then let me pass this one. I will just pass an array here, and here I want 3 because I'm passing an array, and let me print this one. Meanwhile I will just do lines slice value array value. Okay, so what you will see is that in the slice value I am printing here, it will be changed, but the array value will be not changed, because when I'm passing as an array, it is just passing the data, and but as a slice it's as a reference. Okay, if I'm changing something in a slice value, it is changing into its memory location. Let me show you. You see, slice 50 it has changed, but it array remains same thing. It doesn't affect anything. That is the major difference. Okay, let's see the last point on this one. What I want to show you is that other way is that this other way is to create any slice is that, okay, let's say you have created an array like this one, okay, and you want to create a slice from this one. What you can do is that in slice array, you can do 1. So now your new slice is ready. Okay, and which has the value from let me put it like this 2. Okay, so which has the value from 0 to 1. So means 0 and 1 it has the value, but 2 because we have put it as endpoint, but it doesn't take it as 2. So it will take 0 and value. That means 1 and 2 it will take inside it. Let me print it out. Okay, I have not saved it. Yep. Your this is the difference on this one. Okay, let me show one more thing on this one. Now, what more fascinating thing you will see this, as I have taken this slice from array. So there are two things in slice. If we print it, what happens in slice is there are two methods we have, that is called length slice, and then we can do t and length cap slice and t, and then what we can do, length of in slice, and here what we can do, length of cap of in slice. Okay, what you will see is that the length and capacity of slice would be different. Okay, so why it is so? Okay, the major difference is that slice is the memory location of the array. Okay, if I'm taking from any array that slice, it's a memory location of an array. So but I have taken only 2 length of that array, so it is telling the length of slice is 2, but the capacity is 3. The capacity means that internal array of that slice. Okay, so if I take only directly slice, okay, so you will see that same length will be same, capacity will be same. This is all about slice. Thank you.